Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is an unboxing from We Crochet, i.e. Knit Picks. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell below. So I think it was 2 or 3 weeks ago, I ordered from We Crochet, which is the same as for most people who know. We Crochet is an offshoot from the Knit Picks website. They just kind of relabeled it and remodified the website, just put We Crochet up at the top and kind of trying to designate or outreach to those of us who are crocheters versus the knitters. And so I think it was about 3 weeks ago, they had a special on their site with 25% off of whatever you purchase, and always on We Crochet, just this, I think Knit Picks is a little bit different, but on We Crochet site, whenever you purchase anything, if you purchase at least $35 worth of product, then you always get your shipping free. And like I say, they had that in addition to 25% off. And so I picked up a few items, one of which is a cotton mystery bag. That's what should be in this box, and a few other things. So let's take a look and see what I got. Where my scissor things are right now. Let's open her up. Not a very big box, but it is actually pretty heavy. They kind of jammed it all in this box here. So let's see. All right. So right off at the top, we just have our invoices. Don't have any prices on it, but I pretty much remember what I was paying for things. So yeah, it's because I got a kit and a few other things. So let's see what we got in here. Pull that out, move it aside. So first thing I'll say is I got they have We Crochet kits, meaning they have their crochet magazine and then yarn and then things like that, and I got one of those. If you guys watched a video I did probably 2 or 3 months ago, or maybe longer, it's been a long time now, I got the We Crochet magazine #1, and in this kit I got the We Crochet magazine #2, and this kit cost $15. And so with the 25% off, it would be $15. It would be $11.75 is what I would pay for it. And so the first thing that I would get in this kit is a We Crochet pin, or Yay Crochet pin. I already have one of those from when I bought this the last time. Also in this kit, it comes with a clover size, what is that, a D 3.25, one of the soft, what is that, the soft touch crochet. And I think I have maybe one of these, or maybe not. Do I have any of those? Actually I don't. So this will be my first time trying this out to see how this operates. So I'm looking forward to that. That came with that kit. And then also in that kit for this is in the kit for the 11.25, I got 2 balls of cotton, and this is in the color of, this is 123 yards, 50 grams, uses an I9. It's a 3-weight, machine wash cold, tumble dry, 70% Tangus cotton and 30% linen, and it's pretty soft. It's in this color Surf, and it does look like it's a 3-weight. And so it's got the, like I say, it's that Tangus cotton, and I don't know if you are familiar with Tangus cotton or not. Maybe, maybe not. It does look like a 3. Tangus cotton is actually environmentally friendly cotton. It's made by the guy's last name is Tangus, or I don't know how you pronounce it, but he's from Peru, and he created cotton to be grown using less water. and it can be grown more often. So typically cotton's only grown once a year. This type of cotton can be grown 6 times a year and uses substantially less water, and so it's much more environmentally friendly on the planet than other types of cotton. As those who know anything about cotton know that it takes a lot of water to grow cotton, and so that's what the Tangus cotton is. It has that cottony smell. And actually, for having 30% linen in there, and I don't know if you guys know that about linen, but linen, yes, not a lot of people really like, I like linen. The big reason I like linen is because it's 3 times stronger than cotton. So if I make a product with linen, it's going to last a lot longer. Yes, this linen here is very soft. Oftentimes you're going to get linen that's not that soft. And so it has to take multiple washings to soften it up. But once you get it softened up and get it working, it will last you much, much longer. So if you have linen sheets, linen towels, kitchen products with linen, it's going to last you a lot longer as far as durability. And this stuff really feels, I'm actually liking this linen here. Okay, and the final thing that I got for that 1125 kit, and we'll get to the other stuff that I got, is the We Crochet magazine. So I got that, and this is number 2. We got our bag of surprise cotton coming up. So in this, it has 25 spring patterns. Like we'll just thumb through. Beautiful magazine. It truly is. Look at some of the pictures in there. I mean, it's just, I got the first volume and I just loved it, just because this magazine is not really a magazine. It operates more like a book. It's just great articles, beautiful pictures that they put in there. Let's just thumb through. Oh, an interview with Selena Baca. I have one of her books, so they have an interview in there from her. That's nice. And then we start with the patterns. And so it has 25 patterns in this book, and there's one of them. I won't go through and show them all to you. Look at this. Look at these. I mean, just really, really nicely done stuff in this book. And it's all, like I say, all in color. Very thick binding. This is a very impressive book. I mean, it's worth the money. Our Maker Life, that's another article. The community of makers, both online and off, makes it possible for knitters, crocheters, and others members to find community to connect. And then they did a whole article on Maker Life. And then we're back into the patterns. Yeah. Very nice. Very pretty stuff. And then they went through yarns of the beloved collection. So these are some of their yarn names, which is interesting. When I go through the website, I'm always looking for what the yarn names are. But they pulled these colors and then the yarn names, like this one's the Brava Stroll. There's the Dishy, which is some of the cotton yarn, various things like that. And they give a little description of those. Next up, they're going through teaching people how to do the puff stitch, popcorn stitch, horizontal puff stitch, and then 10 things to do with flowers. Like I say, guys, if you've not looked at these magazines at We Crochet, I'm telling you, they are something. I don't know if you're kind of getting the gist, but, and then it's all, the rest of this is patterns after patterns. It's well over 100 pages long, and it's really, really a nice magazine. And you can see how thick it is. It's more like a book, just really nice. But anyway, so that's what it comes with. Okay, so what did I get next? Next up, I cracked, and I got me a Furls. I don't remember what size I got, but this was regular $22 if I remember right. And so with the 25% off, I remember what I bought, 25% off, this would have been $16.50. And it's an I. Balance. So I'm going to be trying this out and I'll get back with you guys. And that is super smooth. I feel no ridges on there at all. We'll see how that works out. Light. Length, I'm liking the length, sticks out of my hand, but I'll get into all of that. I'll do a comparison of this with a couple of my other types of hooks that I like and see how they work out. And I'll get back to you on this as far as ergonomic wise. But that was a really nice deal for 16 bucks for that hook, $16.50. Okay. Then we have cotton mystery bag. Cotton mystery bag. Cotton mystery bag is the price is $18.87, 25% off, so I got the cotton mystery bag for $14.15. It's supposed to come with four geez, I'm crow, I can't even think today. So it's supposed to come with 4 skeins of yarn, and I can count already that I have 5. And so let's see what we got. Okay. Gotta get this box out of the way. First one. Billow. And it is in bulky weight, and it's called Turmeric, 120 yards. And that is a pretty, oh, that's super soft. And that is a pretty mustard color. It is, this one's 100% cotton. It calls for a size K hook, hand wash, dry flat. And that is definitely a bulky. And boy, is that soft. That is some nice cotton. Let me stick that back in there. I don't want to get it messed up. I like that quite a bit. I would buy that again. Let's see what the price of that typically is $8 per hank. It's right there. And then I got in here a couple Dishy multi. And Dishy usually goes, if it's a multicolor, it goes for $4 per skein. So there's another $8. So we're up to $16. We're already over the price of the $14 I paid. And so this stuff uses, says I through a K, 100% cotton again, machine wash, tumble dry, low. And this is a 4 weight. And if I remember right, if you get these in the solid color, it's $2.99. And so because it's a multicolor, it's $3.99. 190 yards and 100 grams. Those are nice Christmas colors. I'll hold on to those and make something for next fall. Is what I'll do with those. And boy, is that soft cotton. That is way softer than Peaches and Cream. And I'm looking up at my cotton. Way softer than that, and it's way softer than the Premier Home. That is some nice cotton right there. I like that. So we're already up to $16, and I still have a couple more in here. What is this guy? This guy is Lindy Chain Fingering Weight, and the color is Gosselin, 180 yards. Right about there is the color. Wow. And that is some thin stuff. I'm going to say straight up on this one, and maybe because it's the size, it doesn't feel that soft. What is this? I see why it doesn't feel soft. Okay. It's 70% linen, 30% Pima cotton. Okay, so that's what this is. So 70% linen, that might be right. It's a little bit rougher, and because it's 70% linen. Okay, and hand wash, dry flat, and that makes sense with that. Okay, and so for Lindy cotton, typically goes for $7 a piece, and so we're 8, 16. We're already now at $23. All right. Oh my goodness, that's soft. Snuggle Puff. And look at that color. And it is as luscious as it looks like. This, it says that it's an Aran heavy worsted. Robin's egg is the color, 142 yards, 50 grams, 70% cotton, 30% nylon, and oh my goodness, that is soft. That is as soft as, or softer than that stuff that we got at Michael's, when we got the big balls at Michael's. We all picked them up. I think it was the cotton creme. It feels softer than cotton creme, for those who remember the cotton creme. This is really some nice stuff right here. This, let me see, Snuggle Puff, Snuggle Puff. I wrote down, I'm looking over here because I wrote down a lot of prices for the cottons, because I didn't know what I was going to get in this mystery bag, and so I just wrote down a lot of cotton prices to see if I would get them. And I'd see Snuggle Puff is $6 for this guy. And so definitely for total we would have had, so 6, 8, 16, well into the almost $29, and I paid $14. And so this is what I got. 1, 2, I was supposed to get 4, and I got all 5 of these for my cotton mystery bag. Yeah, this is a good haul of cotton. So now I got some more cotton up in here because I needed some. Definitely needed some cotton. You can always use more cotton. Yep. I will post up above other videos that I've done as far as unboxing, so you guys can get a look at those. And I hope this was helpful, so you guys can see what you can get in a cotton mystery box from We Crochet. They're still on their site. I've seen them. Like I say, they're $18.87 normally, but like I say, I got it at special. And I will get some feedback on to you as far as this hook. I'll give you guys a comparison on that upcoming, and that's what I had to share with you today. Have a fantastic day. Chat soon.